Hey guys, we're going to do a little walkthrough video here of Full Performance Marine's showroom. This is just one of our showrooms here. Start off with some of the Yamaha jet boats along the wall here, followed by 3 Stingray boats. Come up on the Bennington pontoons here, up on the decking. And we even have some Regal sport boats here. Along the back wall here is our Godfrey pontoon boats, where we have the aqua patios down the corner, followed by the Sweetwaters all the way down the end. This is what our showroom looks like year-round. We always have about 50 pontoons on stock, 20 to 30 Yamaha jet boats, and 10 to 15 Regal sport boats in stock at all times.